Okay, I'm going to quickly show you how to do the COUNTIF function. COUNTIF just lets you look in a range of cells and count the cells that meet a certain criteria. So let's say we want to count how many of this subcategory, how many of them are delicious. We're just going to, first let's copy this value, come down here, paste it in there. There we go. And then we're going to do our formula. We're going to do equals. Excel formulas always start with equals. COUNTIF, open parentheses, and now my helpful little formula helper pops up. So first the range. So what cells do I want to look for this value in? I'm going to do B2 through B10. Then I'm going to do a comma. Then the criteria. I can either type in the exact word I'm looking for, and I got 3 of them, or since I also have that value right next to it, I could just reference the cell and do A13. It gives me the same value.